Welcome to our video on the fourth step of the course registration process. This involves registering for your courses through express registration. For help and information on previous steps of the course registration process, visit the Course Selection and Registration section of the Academic Advising website, where you can view the 5 steps to register in your courses and video tutorials. After you've chosen all of your courses, it's time to officially register in them through your Trent portal. This involves the use of course synonyms, 6-digit numbers located in the Schedule Builder and in the Academic Timetable under the Synonym column. Once you have copied the synonyms of the courses you wish to enroll in, you can begin the express registration process. If you selected your courses using the Schedule Builder, you can select Send to Trent to submit your courses into express registration. Alternatively, you can copy these numbers and enter them into the Express Registration icon found under the Register tab on your Trent portal. You can now paste the numbers into the large box. If you paste them all in the large box, you will need to place a comma after each number. You can also paste the numbers individually into the boxes below. Which method you use to paste the numbers will not affect your registration. In addition to obtaining the course synonyms from the Schedule Builder, you can also find them on the Academic Timetable. You can copy the synonyms from the designated column, and like using Schedule Builder, can paste the number into Express Registration. Please note that the Schedule Builder is not available for summer course registration, and the Academic Timetable is the method you use to register for courses in the summer term. Selecting Submit at this stage will not register you in the courses, but will take you to a new page called Register and Drop Courses, where you can review your courses before registering. As you can see, the courses you've entered into Express Registration appear under Preferred sections. Any courses you are currently registered in will appear under the Current Registrations. To register, click on the drop-down menu above to register in all of your courses. You can also select this option for each individual course by clicking on the action menu beside each course. If you are no longer interested in registering in a course, you can select Remove from List and then Submit. The course will now be removed from the page. If you are looking to add yourself to a waitlisted course, you can also find the Add to Waitlist option in the drop-down menu. For more information on waitlisted courses, you can visit trentu.ca/registrar and select the Records and Registration section, where you can find course registration. Information on waitlisted courses is found at the bottom of the page. Once you're ready to register, click Submit on the bottom of the page. Once registered, you will receive confirmation in the Status column, as well as through an email to your Trent U email address. To drop a course, select the Course Register and Drop icon under the Register tab in your Trent. Next, under Current Registrations, check the box of the course you wish to drop, and then Submit on the bottom of the page. Similar to when registering in a course, you will receive confirmation of withdrawing from the course through the Status column, as well as through an email from the registrar to your Trent U email account. If there are any issues with registering, they will be indicated at the top of the page in red. If you receive an error message, it's important to read it thoroughly, as it will explain what the issue is. In this case, I have attempted to register in a course that I do not have the prerequisites for and need to search for a different course that is open to me. This concludes Step 4 of the course registration process, registration. The final step of course registration is determining whether you require a verification of enrollment form. More information on this step is available on the Academic Advising website under Course Selection and Registration. If you require a verification of enrollment form, you can also order it by selecting the related icon under the Register tab on your Trent. This concludes our video on Express Registration. For more information on course registration, be sure to visit the Academic Advising website and view our additional video tutorials.